Welcome to the third and last part of the Path to Integrity training program for educators, which is about how to prepare and deliver a Path to Integrity session. As you can see in the overview shown here, I'm now going to show you how to prepare, implement, and deliver the Path to Integrity learning cards in your teaching. When completing this part, and thereby the program, you'll feel more confident as a teacher and as an educator in using the learning cards in your classroom. As mentioned and shown previously in the introduction, what we see here is an overview of the Path to Integrity learning cards. With the Path to Integrity learning cards for research integrity, secondary school students and bachelor students, master's students, and early career researchers are sensitized to the topic, and the different groups of learners will be stimulated to reflect upon the different topics of the European Code of Conduct for Research Integrity, which are indicated by the titles of the learning cards in blue. The learning cards are available in 7 different languages and are sorted in numbers 0 to 9 for every different topic, as you can see. To refresh your memory from Part 1, the S cards are designed for secondary school students and bachelor students, while the SO cards focus on citizen education. The M cards are designed for master's students, and the Y cards for early career researchers. All the learning cards include different cases, which are represented through either Emma's chat or Hannah's protocol. These 2 title stories introduce the topic by means of a dilemma situation, and the learning cards are built around these dilemmas. When choosing from the S series, please use Emma's chat. When choosing from the M and Y series, please use Hannah's protocol. A great benefit of the title story is that the narrative is introduced and subsequently used in each card while developing it in different directions. From session to session, students identify with the characters and immerse more and more into their stories. We have some more tips for you to improve your preparation. Know your audience. Then you will also know what the audience may already bring with them in terms of prior knowledge. Start with why. Make the importance of the subject matter clear. Make it relevant. Spark curiosity. This promotes learning. Make it experiential and fun. And make students reflect on what they've learned before and after. To orient yourself and to prepare Path to Integrity learning cards, the first page of each card tells you what the respective learning card is about. Using the Path to Integrity learning cards gives you both structure for your session as well as additional information for composing your lesson individually. With the cards, the time you save preparing your educational session can then be used to adapt the tasks, subfields, and stages to your group, allowing them to dive deeper into the topic. Before you go into a Path to Integrity learning card session, you should be acquainted with the card, know the story. For example, with Hannah's protocol, is there a need for a research integrity policy? Or Emma's chat, what happened at the Lona Science Center? Be familiar with the Code of Conduct for Research Integrity, and have a plan on how to navigate your group through the card. For more information, please check the Path to Integrity website. There, you can find all the handbooks, the learning cards, and much more. Using the learning cards in your teaching requires facilitation skills in order to stimulate and moderate the discussion and reflection stage embedded in each learning card. As an inspiration, how to facilitate discussions in larger audiences, I encourage you to do one more exercise as a final and last step in completing the Path to Integrity training program. Please watch at least 10 to 15 minutes of the YouTube video that follows. Reflect on the facilitation video and observe the facilitator and the participants' reactions and responses to the questions asked by the facilitator. Consider what you like and what you do not like in the way the facilitator manages the conversations. Consider whether the teaching and facilitation technique could be adapted to your educational context and culture. Try to identify at least 3 characteristics of a good facilitator from your point of view. To access the video, You can either type in the link or simply use the QR code by opening your camera app on your phone and place it in front of the QR code as if you want to take a picture. A link should appear, which you should be able to click onto to access the video. Finally, I'd like to take the opportunity to thank each and every one of you for joining the Path to Integrity training program and for hanging in there all the way. Your curiosity in learning more about ethics and integrity in research will benefit not only you, but also your current and future students. I hope that you've enjoyed it, and by now feel ready to use the Path to Integrity learning materials in your classroom. Take care, and goodbye.